let's look at a yummy recipe, and welcome to Amy Van Der Merwe from An Earthen Life.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Amy from An Earthen Life and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making something really nice for your kiddies, a little snack today. I wanted to really concentrate on greens, so getting your greens in like always, I say this all the time, and also your beans. And then we're going to do a really nice healthy fat, so we're going to be making sort of a spinach and avocado butterbean dip. And then I've done some vegetables in the oven, so we're going to be doing them with like vegetable chips. I prepared some different root vegetable chips, so I did some really nice orange sweet potato, some carrots, some turnips, some beetroot. You really want to get all the different colors in. I decided not to put any potatoes in because when I put a potato in, my child seems to only want to eat the potatoes. So I've only put in different root vegetables. You can use any kind. Butternut works really well too. And it's just nice to get all the different colors in, all the different vegetables, and we're going to serve it with a beautiful dip. So to make our dip, I'm going to use a pot because that's what I have, but if you have a jug blender, that'll be great. So I'm using one whole ripe avocado. I already have half in there. I'm going to put my other half in. One tin of butter beans. And then I'm going to use all the greens from my garden. So I've got some baby spinach, some rocket, some basil, some coriander, and some beetroot greens. So just the leaves of young beetroot plants. I'm gonna just take the basil off the stalk. Other than that, I've given them a nice wash and I'm just gonna throw it all in here. Okay, then I'm gonna add in a little bit of garlic. I've just got a tiny little one here. The reason I want to add in the garlic is because it's really good for immune boosting for your children. So I don't want to add in too much because then it gets a bit bitter and they won't enjoy it. But I am going to add in a little bit. I'm just going to slice it up. Then I'm also going to add in a tiny bit of salt. And some lemon. So about half a lemon squeezed in here. And a bit of olive oil. So again, a nice healthy fat. If you want to skip the olive oil, you can put water in instead. And that should work really well. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up. And I'll show you when it's done.
What are you making?
I'm making avocado, spinach, and butterbean dip. Do you want to try?
No. Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Dip your finger in.
Ooh.
Thank you, lovey. It's like I told you. So here are my beautiful roast vegetable chips. I've got some lovely beetroot. Look at that color. Oh, that's amazing. Beautiful color. I've got some turnips. So I've done this with a bit of olive oil. You could, if you have an air fryer, you could do it with without the oil. But I don't mind a little bit of olive oil. And then I've got some roast carrots too. And some nice sweet potato. Of course, you can do normal sweet potato. I just have these beautiful orange ones. Right, there we go. So it's delicious for everyone really. But what's really important is that you're getting all these different colors and you're getting lots of spinach in. That's a turnip chip.
Oh.
You want to try that? That's a sweet potato.
No, not this.
And that's a celery.
I don't like that.
You don't like that one? Okay, that one's for me.
Okay. And then that's what's for me.
Why don't you dip it?
No.
The chips. And why don't you try this? This is delicious. Sweet potato. And beetroot? Give it a try. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much, Amy and River. River was really amazing. It was like she was given a script, but I'm sure it was all a la natural. Hope you enjoyed that. I am so hungry now. I'm so excited to try some of that dip and veggies. So easy and so good. Thank you so much, Amy, for helping us and inspiring us to eat more of our veggies and stay at it out there. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you next time live. I've got another surprise coming, so stay tuned and take good care of yourself. Lots of love. Bye.